Welcome everyone. In the previous video, we started discussing the new product introduction or NPI stage in a typical design process, as the 9001 standard provided only a hazy reference to it. To take a design from the development stage to the user, one should address numerous phases: design and production documentation, process control, packaging and shipping, personnel training, supply chain, software, infrastructure, and others. In this video, we will start with the design documentation section. We will use this sample checklist to organize and document the NPI process. If interested, you can find a copy of the template on our website, the link is in the description. Before we start, let's talk for a minute about the table. The first thing you see under the title is a reference to the BMS structure, Project 123. BMS, or Business Management Structure, is a folder on our server or the cloud where we maintain all our QMS and business documentation. You may also find a copy of this template on our website if you are interested. The left column lists categories or NPI stages, procedures, input, design FMEA, etc. The following column includes links that take you to the locations of the corresponding documents and records within the BMS or other software systems. And the last column is for any specific information such as document revision levels, reason for not performing a particular task, etc. So, let's start with the design procedures you use to develop your product. In my experience, I have seen various types of such documents, from mind-boggling flowcharts to endless wordy instructions on how to do this or that. The best design procedure I ran across was a gigantic Gantt chart. My Class 3 medical device manufacturing client had a wall in their war room covered by the chart. Thinking about it, I was surprised that a Gantt chart can address all the requirements of the standard and the business needs. It specifies what needs to be done, when, who is responsible, the budget, etc. I strongly recommend considering this approach. Nowadays, several free or inexpensive project management software applications are on the market. Check the description below for a couple of links. The following line is what the standard calls input. Engineers, more often than not, refer to this as specification. This is the customer or your marketing folks' design definition. When the project starts, monitor the progress, and do not forget to revise your specifications accordingly. Design project risk analysis. Before embarking on designing something, we need to determine if there are risks to the success of a project due to our company's technological capabilities, personnel qualifications, market needs, competitors' positions, cost of the project, and other aspects. You may start your next step only after the analysis shows that project risks are acceptable or manageable. We discussed actions to address risks and opportunities in Element 6 of 9001 videos. If you missed them, visit our channel to catch up. Feasibility study. A feasibility study assesses a new project to determine and evaluate the factors critical to its success in terms of return on investment. The feasibility study and project risk analysis go hand in hand. As the feasibility study evolves, you must revise your risk assessment as needed. These relations may illustrate these three stages of the initial design process. The specification triggers project risk analysis. Risk analysis may generate a need to revise the spec if unacceptable risks are determined. The risk assessment triggers a feasibility study, which may require revisions of both the specification and the risk assessment. This is all the time we have today, folks. We will discuss other elements of the NPI template in the following videos. Let's summarize our discussion today. Do not overlook the value of a detailed new product introduction stage for your design process. Use an NPI checklist to document the design completion stage. Establish and use appropriate to your business NPI documents and record structure. If you want to learn more about Lean techniques, join our new Lean ISO Management Systems group on LinkedIn. The link is below. As always, feel free to check our free downloads. Visit our website's Academy page to see how our templates can simplify your management system. If you like this video, please subscribe, share, like, and comment. Your support helps us promote our Lean QMS project.